If you're serious about clean water flowing through every tap and appliance in your house, this little beauty is going to be your new best friend. We're talking 2 stages of powerful filtration housed in 2 crystal clear 10-inch containers, so you can actually see when it's time to replace them. Genius, right? Stage 1, boom, 5-micron PP sediment filter. That means bye-bye silt, sand, rust, and dirt. Stage 2, carbon block filter, baby. Say farewell to chlorine, funky odors, and that weird aftertaste. We're talking pure, fresh water from the moment it hits your pipes. And can we talk about flow rate? A whopping 5 to 15 GPM depending on your water pressure. So no one's showering in a trickle, trust me. Big capacity, smooth delivery, it's installed right at your main water supply, so the entire house gets the upgrade. Now, heads up, this system doesn't remove total dissolved solids, TDS. But here's the thing, you want those healthy minerals. If you're looking to nix TDS, Geekpure's got a reverse osmosis system too. Options, baby.